G. I'm making gnocchi paired with my lamb keema. Start off with some large potatoes on a baking tray with salt and bake them until they're knife tender. Transfer the potatoes to a ricer, and once the potatoes have cooled, drizzle over your yolk, flour, and turmeric, and then add in some chopped cilantro for freshness. Then gently fold it together, divide the dough into 4, and then roll each into a 1-inch log. Then cut into 1-inch pieces. Bring your water to a boil. Once the gnocchi are floating, take them out. Heat up some oil and butter, and then pan-sear the gnocchi until golden brown on both sides. Time for the keema. Saute some cumin seeds and onions until nicely caramelized. Add your aromatics, minced ginger, garlic, and some green chilies. Add in the spices and then cook them through. Tomato paste and add some water to loosen it up. Add in your ground lamb and break it apart. Season it with salt, pour in your passata, and add a cinnamon stick. Cover and let it simmer till it's nice and tender. Adding some piece garam masala and then some yogurt to add some creaminess. Now add your keema to your gnocchi, plate them up, and add some more fresh coriander and dig in. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you stay tuned for next week, letter H,